We're almost ready to start.
Is everyone so excited for more fun?
Yeah, that was a very eventful, learning, packed full of fun day.
Today, what's happening today? You gotta ask Lisa if I'm ready for today.
Andy is my favorite success story. He worked harder than his parents.
It comes down to it, you gotta be ready before you can do it.
Great class. It was very helpful for me and
expanded my boundaries, developing future leaders. They care about people and they're trying to elevate and lift people up.
I declare it an official success.